Hey there, Anna here, welcoming you back to our channel, For Real. We're always about making tech easy for anyone and everyone. Today we're going to talk about something interesting. Raise your hand if you love taking photos with your iPhone, but sometimes wish the auto enhance feature would just give it a rest. You might be thinking, hey, I like my photos just the way they are without all the extra enhancements. Well, this video has you covered. We'll walk you through how to minimize the auto enhance effect on your iPhone, so you can capture those memorable moments just the way you want them. First off, let's talk about this thing called deep fusion. It sounds like something from a sci-fi flick, but it's actually an image processing algorithm built into your iPhone's chip. Apple introduced it with the iPhone 11, and it acts as a little photo editing genius that automatically edits every photo you take. All right, let's start with some simple tweaks. First, try turning off the full HDR option. Go to your iPhone settings, find the Photos section, and disable View Full HDR. Give it a shot and see if it makes a difference. Before we move on to the next big step, if you find this video helpful, just take a quick second to hit that like button. And why not drop a comment about your experiences with the iPhone's Auto Enhance? We'd love to hear from you. Moving on, here's a more radical step. To swerve around Deep Fusion and Auto Enhance, you could download an app called Halide and shoot your photos in RAW. This gives you the freedom to capture your moments without any auto-tweaking. Another suggestion is to use noise reduction after you take your photos. This could reduce some of the over-sharpening effects that Deep Fusion might cause. Now let's look at an interesting method, the burst mode. Some users have found that using burst mode helps. Here's how you can try it out. Go into your camera settings and turn on the option to use volume up for burst. Now, go ahead and take a few photos using burst mode. Then head over to your photos, tap select, pick your recent images and press done and keep. Then see if there's any auto enhancement visible on your photos. Lastly, you can beat auto enhance with the help of the key photo option. Here's how. Take a photo with live photo turned on. Then navigate to photos, select your live photo and edit it using the key photo option. The trick here is changing the focus to a different frame within the live image. When you do this, iOS won't auto enhance your selected frame. And there you have it, folks. There are multiple ways to lessen the auto enhance effect on your iPhone. Remember, it's all about making your photos look how you want them to. I'm Anna, and this was another Tech Simplified talk from us at For Real. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more how-tos and tech tips. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.